Hello and welcome to our reporting season. Investor Spotlight, your shortcut to the results that matter. I'm Andrew Gagan. Let's get to those results then. And lithium miner PLS has posted a full-year loss of just under $196 million, while revenue was down 39% of the year to $769 million. The loss came despite record production and lower operating costs, reflecting an ongoing slump in lithium prices. Earnings falling 86% to $78 million. It has not declared a dividend. Protective gear manufacturer Ansell saying it will fully offset US tariffs through price increases, a process that began in FY25 and expects to continue into the first half of this financial year. Over the past financial year, earnings came in higher to $282 million US. That's up 10%. In organic constant currency growth, adjusted earnings per share, excluding significant items, expected to come in higher in FY26, in between 130 and 145 US cents a share. The company is saying the outlook remains uncertain in FY26, but it still expects growth. It will distribute a final dividend of 28 US cents a share in line with guidance. And it will also proceed with an on-market share buyback of up to $200 million US in FY26. Data3 has seen record sales over the past financial year, up 9% to $3 billion. Net profit after tax has increased more than 11% to $48 million. The digital transformation company will pay a 15-cent dividend, bringing the total dividend to 28.1 cents, 10% higher compared with the previous year. It did not provide guidance, but said its outlook is positive despite software solution growth expected to be under pressure as opposed to the infrastructures and services segments. The tech company adding its position to benefit from the evolution and growth of AI to provide more recurring revenue. Adore Beauty has reported a sharp improvement in full-year earnings as statutory profit fell 56% to $1.23 million. It delivered a record EBITDA of $8.1 million, up almost 68%, while revenue increased 1.6% to just under $199 million. It won't be paying a final dividend, but says it had a strong start to the new financial year, with sales in the first 7 weeks of the year up 9%. Check in what we can expect tomorrow, including Coles and AUB Group, G8 Education and Kelsian, as well as Nanosonics on that list.